Welcome to Dashcam Drama, where speed meets chaos and every mile tells a story of madness. From bone-crunching crashes to unbelievable near misses, every clip takes you to the edge of disaster. Buckle up, because this isn't just a ride, it's a roller coaster on wheels. Luckily, no one seems hurt, but man, that was a heart-stopping moment. Just 1 second slower and it could have been a real tragedy. Luckily, it didn't slam into the home. Wait a moment, something is not right. Oh no, the truck just lost a wheel. Look, the electric car is coming very fast. The driver seems too calm for someone in danger. Oh my God. The car sped through the intersection at a crazy speed. This is what happens when recklessness meets reality. A wrong decision, and disaster strikes. Debris is flying everywhere. You can feel the impact just by watching this. It's truly brutal. Unbelievably, no serious injuries. That's what you call a miracle escape. Like an ordinary stretch of highway, a cloud of smoke suddenly appeared. A car had lost control, veering off the road in a split second before anyone could react. In the middle of the busy traffic, no one expected that within seconds, chaos was about to unfold. French slices of 19, a frightening moment at the intersection. I hope everyone is safe. A terrifying moment right in front of a home. The car spun out of control, crashing into the driveway in a cloud of dust. As the first light of dawn broke, a thunderous crash shattered the silence. One wrong move and the consequences were devastating. One slight delay in steering, and disaster becomes inevitable. Remember, when driving beside trucks, safe distance means staying alive. Moment of distraction. The road is not a place to take risks.
Even 88 miles an hour through here.
That's Don Likens of Reading. He provided Local 12 footage taken from his
60, even 88 miles an hour through. That's Don Likens of Reading. He provided Local 12 footage taken from his
security cameras of Tuesday's accident at the intersection.
Fortunately, no one was injured. Slow down, especially in residential areas, because sometimes a moment of distraction can change everything.
Flatbed is right turn onto the side.
Looks like the car driver didn't expect how wide that flatbed swings. A harsh reminder, never stay in a truck's blind spot, folks. Oh no! That SUV just lost control! Really lucky. Learn from experience, be careful next time when crossing the street, girl. You've just witnessed moments where fate and fury collide, powerful reminders that every turn on the road holds a lesson. Stay alert, stay alive, because safety will always be your strongest shield. Like, share, and subscribe as we uncover more untold stories from the world's wildest highways.